What is up, everyone? This is going to be a quick video. It's about a beard balm that I just bought, and I think that folks who have a beard and wear beard balm might like this video, might find the information in this video useful, or at least find my opinion of interest, I hope, as it relates to whether this is the kind of beard balm that you would like to get. The beard balm that I'm talking about is Rocky Mountain Barber Company Cedarwood Beard Balm. Stay with me, watch it to the end. I think you're going to find this interesting. As I said, thank you for tuning in, and all right, let's get started right now. This beard balm I like in a very major way, but there's something I don't love about this beard balm. Now, in terms of what I like, what I really like, this beard balm, it's weird because it does not really have, in my opinion, the sort of consistency and weight to really hold down and shape the beard. Not for me, at least. With that said, I have found that there's something about the properties of the oil, the beard balm itself, that I think, in effect, ends up providing great hold to the beard, because the beard, my beard, is overall softer and seemingly more manageable, because I believe that I don't know if it's nourishing the beard, I don't know if it's hydrating the beard in such a way, or providing the kind of nutrients or whatever, but I have found that my beard feels very soft, and it feels like it is, the hairs are doing more of what I want them to do. So I just wanted to point that out. The thing that I don't love so much about it is I was expecting a very masculine, or expecting a woodsy sort of scent or fragrance, and I just don't get that at all. It's not an unpleasant fragrance, don't get me wrong, but it's so light that after putting it on, and even putting it on, I barely can detect it. And I like to wear beard balm that I can enjoy smelling it, and I really had thought this was going to be a rather masculine and sort of fresh, woodsy kind of a scent, and I just don't get it at all. But with that said, yeah, I think it's a good product in that it really does make my beard feel great, and it seems to be adding some control to it. In terms of the fragrance, it's just not strong. I don't think it's feminine, but I don't think it's very masculine. I don't think it's noteworthy or memorable, or I don't smell it as I'm wearing it. And I have actually been putting a very liberal amount of this on. So I asked my wife to smell this beard balm, and her reaction was that it smells to her like Vicks Vapor Rub. And then she went on to say, not in a bad way. And she said it kind of reminded her, it has sort of a very light menthol sort of a scent to it. And so I think she thinks the fragrance smells okay, but that's what it reminded her of. It reminds me of, and I hope I'm not too off on this, but this is just what it makes me think of, as imagine smelling petroleum jelly, like Vaseline, or like a like chapstick. And I'll add one thing. Now, I am fully aware that I don't have a medium-sized beard at this point, and hold is relative to the person. Manageability, the control and hold is all relative. The stage of growth that I have, that has to be kept in mind. So again, people have different types of hair. Some have coarse hair and wavy and this and that. But for the phase that this is in, I feel that for me, it's adding some degree of hold or control, and it seems to really be moisturizing and having a positive effect on the beard. I've been using this, and I really like it. It really makes the beard, makes the hair, mustache, and beard feel very soft, and it feels like the hairs lay in place and are controlled. I like the product. That said, I hope you find this interesting. I told you it wasn't going to be too long. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Tune in next time. Have a great day.